Hello guys, in today's video we're going to talk about how to fix Instagram enter confirmation code problem. So the answer is easy, just go to the settings as you see. Now scroll down to the apps section and go to the search and search on Instagram. Now go to the storage. Here you will find this clear cache, click on it. You can go check it if it worked. If it didn't work, maybe try to restart the phone. And if it didn't work again, maybe try to clear data, but be careful when you clear data, all your Instagram's data will be deleted. This includes the settings, the databases, and the accounts, etc. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.